Hello friends, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, but today we're going to talk about the Beauty Box Bonanza. And what I mean by that is if you think that this was good, the monthly purchases and the gift with purchases every month is good, wait until Christmas time, because every counter almost in the department stores will have a beauty box at Christmas time. And I'm going to show you, this is a picture of one of the beauty boxes the last few years. And I actually chose the pink one. This is the picture of the beauty box last year. And that is with the embossed gold case. And it is so beautiful. This is the beauty box. Look how big. And it's got the rose gold embossed LANCOME symbol. You buy a purchase and you get 6 or 7 free gifts. It's usually $39.50. Not much of a qualifying purchase for that. But the beauty box, on the other hand, is a little different because it is a purchase with a purchase. And what that means is you have to have a purchase. It's usually more than the gifts with purchase monthly, but it's usually about $60 to $65. And then you have to, after you buy that, you have to buy the beauty box for $75. But the difference here is in the beauty boxes, you are getting $500 to $600 worth of products and value for the money. So let's just do the math. So every beauty box comes with a bottle of Genifique serum. And if you guys are not used to the Genifique, it is radiance in a bottle. It is youth in a bottle. I call it my magic potion, but it is in every beauty box that LANCOME has had since I can remember, or at least the last 5 or 6 years. That's probably about all I can remember. But anyway, just for the price of the Genifique is $100 for the bottle I just showed you. So if you're having to spend between a qualifier and the beauty box purchase itself $120 to $130, your Genifique serum is almost worth the price of just that one product. So you're basically getting all the products for free. Isn't that something? That makes it worth it just right there for me. Purchase my qualifier, purchase my beauty box, then I get all that stuff with it. 10 to 11 free products every year. And it is so worth it. You can do 2 LANCOME beauty boxes or 2 Estee Lauder beauty boxes. Really, not that I know of. I've never seen them have a limit. I've seen one lady bought one for every one of her 6 grandchildren. And I wish I'd have gotten that sale at the Dillard's LANCOME counter. But anyway, when you buy the beauty box, all the products, $500 to $600 worth. So you're spending $120 to $130, but you're getting $500 to $600 worth of products. So you're still getting $300 to $320, $340. I know my mouth is horrible. Worth of free products just when you purchase the beauty box. And if you do more than one counter, let's just do the math and play around with this. Like if you buy 1 beauty box from Estee Lauder and 1 beauty box from LANCOME and 1 beauty box from Elizabeth Arden, you're going to pay the $120 to $130 between the qualifying products and the purchase of the beauty box. So that's roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, a little under $400 for 3 beauty boxes. But each one, there's $400 to $500 worth of products. So you're getting $1,200 worth of products for $300. It's amazing. It's amazing. And a lot of ladies is like, oh, I can't afford to spend that much. You can do what your budget can allow. That Christmas time is the best time. You talk about gifts. This is the ultimate time for gifts. And the stuff in the beauty box, I've even bought an Estee Lauder and a LANCOME beauty box, had enough products to gift all the females in my family and didn't have to spend any extra money and still kept my favorite LANCOME products for me. So there's a lot of different ways that you can play around with it. There's a lot of different, just kind of run your numbers, work with your budget, kind of use your imagination, and the possibilities are endless because Christmas time really is the best time. And the beauty box bonanza is a possibility. Right? I want to wish you much love. Till next time.